Understanding the cloud is way beyond you just provisioning EC2 instance or provisioning EKS cluster or doing any other thing in the cloud. Now, there are so many things that comes into place when running your workload in the cloud. And one aspect of them is how you manage the accounts. For instance, if you are using the AWS, you need to manage and secure your AWS account. In the enterprise world, in the real world, no company uses one AWS account. There's a high chance that a company might have multiple AWS account. They can have different AWS account. They can have one for staging, for dev, for finance, for billing. Like they can have different AWS account. But the question is, how do you manage all of these accounts? If you are listening to this video, you might have one AWS account whereby you are running maybe your project, maybe you are trying to learn AWS. That is just one account, right? Imagine you having hundreds or 50 of those accounts. How do you manage them at scale? And that is where AWS Organization comes in. What is AWS Organization? AWS Organization is an AWS feature that enables you to group all your AWS accounts into one management control. It means that you have one management account whereby you can manage all of your accounts. So we have one management account that manages all of the accounts. So the account whereby the AWS Organization is created becomes the management account, while all the other accounts that are added to the organizations are known as member account. Now, practically, this is how it works. So if you have like 5 AWS accounts and you want to manage all of them at the same point, one of the challenges is billing. It means that you need to manage all the billing on each of the individual account, which is not easy. And also you need to also manage users' access on all those individual accounts, which is not scalable. With AWS Organization, most of these management overhead are abstracted away from you. For instance, all the billings comes to one account. So if you have 5 members account, all the billings are aggregated and they are sent to the management account. It actually simplifies management overhead. In an AWS organization, you can have all the multiple accounts under the management control, and also you can also organize those accounts into organization unit. For instance, an organization unit can be, maybe one organization unit can be for a DevOps engineer, whereby you can have 2 accounts inside that organization unit. Another one can be for developers, and in that one you can have like 2 AWS accounts inside that one. So there's no hard and fast rule on how you can structure your AWS organization. It all boils down to your company's policies. AWS organization also comes with a security feature called SCP, which is called Service Control Policy. In our next video, we're going to understand the difference between AWS organization and AWS Identity Center.